Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of Notepad not opening on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Here's the thing. First of all, try opening Notepad through the Windows search bar. If it works, well and good. If it doesn't work, then press Windows plus R and type notepad.exe and hit enter. Does this help? If not, then straight away search for Notepad in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow, select app settings, scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair, and wait till you get a tick mark here. Then click on reset and then on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.